Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I have been getting a lot of questions on my Instagram where people are asking, can I get a job in Canada from India or from any other country for that matter? And I have said this to everyone that it is possible, but it is not that easy. So let's discuss that, and let's also explore what exactly is Global Talent Stream, under which you can get a work permit within 10 business days. And also, if you haven't already, then please follow us on Instagram, where you can not only get an up-close view of our life in Canada, but you can also ask your specific questions. So without wasting any more time, my name is Nishant and let's get started. So as I said, getting a job in Canada from outside of Canada directly is not that easy. And I am not here to give you any false hopes. So if you are in for some real conversations, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So first and foremost, to get a job in Canada, you need to be highly experienced in a niche field. Why? It's a simple logic. Think about this. When would a country hire someone from outside? Only when they are not able to find a right candidate with the exact skills and experience within their own country. And do you think in a country like Canada, जहाँ पे लाखों में इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स और हजारों में परमानेंट रेजिडेंट्स हर साल आते हैं, वहाँ पे एंट्री लेवल या मिड लेवल जॉब्स के लिए कैंडिडेट्स की कोई कमी होगी? नहीं, यहाँ पे ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स तो भरे पड़े हैं. मैं भी उन्हीं में से हूँ. So इसलिए to get a job in Canada, first of all you need to have at least 5 years of experience in a niche field. Only then you can expect, or you should even try to find a job in Canada directly from India or from any other country. Another thing is LMIA. LMIA is Labour Market Impact Assessment, which means that if a company wants to hire candidates from outside of Canada, first they will have to prove to the Canadian government that they have tried their level best and have been searching for a suitable candidate since a very long time. But they are not able to find the right candidate in Canada. Hence they want to hire people from outside of Canada. Only if they are able to prove this, the government will allow the company to do the hiring with a positive LMIA. So I hope the things are getting cleared a bit in your mind कि ये काम क्यों इतना पेचीदा है. But having said that, it is not impossible to get a job. There are chances that you may land a really good job in Canada. But how will you secure this job offer? We will create a separate video about that, so stay tuned. आज का video is about Global Talent Stream, so let's discuss that further. So what is Global Talent Stream? That is GTS. So GTS is basically an immigration program under which an employer can expedite the process of hiring someone from outside of Canada. This program was started in 2017 as a 2-year pilot program, but looking at its success, in 2019 GTS became a permanent part of Canada immigration programs. And under GTS, a work permit application is processed within 2 weeks, that is 10 business days. Which means that if you get a job offer under GTS, you could be in Canada in less than a month. And another great thing about GTS is that you can even bring your spouse along with you. So yes, your spouse can come along with you on an open work permit and they will be eligible to work for any employer in any location. So why does Canada need this Global Talent Stream? Simple reason is to remain competitive in the global market, especially as compared to US. As we all know, recently US implemented some restrictive immigration policies, because of which a lot of people are moving towards Canada. And also because of Canada's own ambitious immigration targets, a lot of people from other countries like India are increasingly looking to apply for jobs in Canada. Hence, Canada needed a program under which they can process these work permits as quickly as possible and attract highly skilled professionals. Now, if you remember, I said that if a company wants to hire someone from outside of Canada, they need a positive LMIA from the Canadian government. And usually the LMIA processing takes months. But with GTS, with Global Talent Stream, this processing time is much faster now. Now let's discuss the eligibility. There are 2 categories within the GTS. Category A, under which an employer must be referred by a partner organization and they must be hiring for a specialized talent. But this category is not meant for most of us, so we'll not discuss that in detail. And second is category B, under which an employer must be filling a position which is in the Global Talent Occupation List, which is a list of high-skilled, in-demand occupations. Some of the occupations in this list are software engineers, information systems manager, mathematicians, statisticians, data analysts, web designers, digital media designers, and many more. I have provided a link below where you can find the entire list. So to get a job under GTS, you need to be working within these occupations. So do check that list. Now let's discuss what are the steps. So step 1, if the company meets the eligibility criteria for any of the two categories, then they will file an application for the GTS. And as I said before, that if the company is able to prove that they have tried and are not able to find a suitable candidate in Canada, then their file will get accepted and they will receive a positive LMIA from the government. And with that positive LMIA, they will be able to hire a foreign worker. I mean, they will be able to hire you. Step 2. Once you get a job offer under GTS from a company, you will have to apply for your work permit. Work permit applications submitted under GTS also qualify for the expedited processing, that is 10 business days. And कई बार companies आपका work permit खुद ही apply कर देती हैं, but at times they may ask you to do it yourself and they may reimburse the fees. But at times you may have to do it on your own at your own cost. And the cost is $155 for you and $100 for the open work permit for your spouse if you want them to accompany you. And if so, then please apply for the work permits for both of you together so as to get your permits within 2 weeks. I know guys, it's a lot of information with a lot of technical jargon. So isliye, before I proceed further, let me sum this up for you. So you do not have to file any GTS application. The company who wants to hire a candidate from outside of Canada, they are the ones who need to file a GTS application with the Canada government. And if their application gets approved, they will receive a positive LMIA from the Canada government, and with that positive LMIA, they will be able to hire you and give you a job offer. And once you have the job offer from the company, you need to apply for your work permit, and on an average, your work permit application under GTS will get processed within 2 weeks, and then you can come to Canada along with your spouse if you have one and if you want them to accompany you. नहीं तो अकेले ही आ जाना. But सच बताऊं, it's like अंधेरे में तीर चलाना. Because as a candidate, you would never know that if a company already has a positive LMIA or not. You will get to know only when you actually receive a job offer from the company with a positive LMIA. And that reminds me that never fall into a trap of a consultant or anyone who tells you that you need to pay 20,000 or 40,000 Canadian dollars and they will get you a job in Canada. And not just consultant, you may receive a random email from any company email ID telling you that they have selected your profile and you need to send your documents along with a demand draft of $200 or $500 so that they can process your job offer. So please इन सब चक्करों में मत पड़ना. समझ जाओ कि अगर आपको कहीं पर भी पे करना पड़ रहा है to get a job offer, तो मतलब कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Now to end this video, let's talk about another major benefit of GTS. So apart from the quick processing times and the flexibility to bring your spouse along, another major benefit of GTS is that it can pave a path to your permanent residency status. So if you don't know already, then let me tell you that if you have at least 1 year of Canadian experience, then it will give you some extra points in your Express Entry profile. And then you also become eligible to apply under specific categories such as CEC, that is Canadian Experience Class category. And then there are a lot of PNP programs which require you to have either a job offer or some Canadian experience. So with 1 year of Canadian experience, your chances of getting a permanent resident status increases manyfold. So that's all about the global talent stream. I tried to keep this video as true as possible without any sugar coating or so. So if you found this video helpful, then please smash the like button, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. And I'll see you in our next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.